Hello, my name is George Horton from Solid State Logic, and we're at InfoComm 2026 at the SSL Solid State Logic booth. And I'm standing in front of the brand new TCA Tour, which is a small but mighty console that can be used in live, flyable applications. As you can see, it is a compact package, but it can be up to 800 paths of processing with a full built-in effects rack, as natively built into the console. It is a Dante enabled, starts with 512 Dante channels, and it is a fully blown 916 console. It can be used in live applications, it can be used for remote production, it can be used with cloud or virtualized engines, so it's a very flexible system and a very compact package. So come and see it at the show, or come and see SSL at www.solidstatelogic.com.